So literally fix this one aspect and everything else will fall into place.
What are the typical mistakes beginners make starting TRT? There are a lot.
The single biggest mistake is choosing the wrong provider. Now, let me preface it is not their fault, because as medical professionals, we should hold a higher standard. We should realize that people do come to us seeking help, and our job is to help them. And helping someone doesn't always mean taking firsthand action. Helping someone means perhaps referring or directing someone. It is okay to say, this is above my head, and this is not something that I feel that I can give you the best service or solution for. I recommend that you either see this person, or I honestly, sadly, don't have anyone to refer you, but I don't think I'm the right one. And if people did that and actually stopped trying to do things that are out of their realm, or at least took the time, if they are going to do it, to actually learn properly and not be as combative and not have their ego stand in the way, because ultimately we can battle it out, but then the patient ends up suffering because an egotistical provider who refuses to listen to another concept is just harming the patient at the end of the day. So the biggest mistake a patient makes, and we see this every day in the group, and I see it from transfer patients, we see it all the time, is they choose the wrong provider to start with. For some odd reason, they feel like they're married to that, provider, and they can't leave. And they'll say, I know they're doing it wrong. I know I need a new doctor, but I'm just going to wait until, another 3 months because I paid them or my contract. Oh, guys, you're basically saying I'm in prison. They just opened the gate and said, you're paroled, go ahead and get out of here. And you're saying, well, but I did promise I'll stay another 90 days. You're free to go. You're a human being and you're an adult. You can get up and leave today, tomorrow, whenever you'd like. No one is shackling you down. I don't care what the piece of paper says. You're an adult. No one is forcing you to have someone ill-advise you or put things in your body that they don't know what the heck they're doing with. So the biggest thing I could tell guys, and that'll solve literally all the problems beneath it. I'm not going to go through a list of 25 things guys do wrong, because if you choose the right provider, you'll never do anything wrong. It's their job to guide you. So literally fix this one aspect and everything else will fall into place.
Exactly. Seems logic.
And now click on this video to learn more about TRT and hormone optimization.